Welcome to Lesson 2 of our Algebra 1 series. Today we're going to talk about powers and exponents. All right, let's get into it. So what is a power and what is an exponent? Let me give you an example of an expression. This is a general form expression. We're going to have x to the n. And this is called a power. X to the n is a power. Now let's break this down for you. It actually is going to read, so it reads x to the nth power. So x to the n reads x to the nth power. X to the n itself is a power. Now let's break down x to the n. If we break it down, we have a base, which is going to be x, and we have an exponent, which is going to be our n. So now we know that if we have a power, x to the n, this is the base, this is the exponent, and the entire thing is the power. Let me give you an example. We're going to have 3 to the second. Our base is 3. Our exponent is 2. And our power is 3 squared, or 3 to the second. And we're going to read this as, it's going to be 3 to the second power. 3 to the 1 is 3. 3 to the 2 is 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. 3 to the 3 is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. And 3 to the 4 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is 81. Now, this shows you right off of the bat a little bit about how powers are solved. So the exponent is really means, this exponent really means how many 3's are multiplied by each other. We have 1 here, so we just have 3. We have an exponent of 2, so there are going to be 2 3's. And you're going to multiply them. That's your operation. So if you have something like 4 to the 5th, it's really telling you that you have 5 4's that are all multiplied. So 4 to the 5th is going to end up being 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. There are going to be 5 4's. There are 5 of them, right? And that's going to give you some value. You could have 9 to the 105th. There's really no limit. And all that means is there are going to be 105 9's multiplied by each other 105 times. All right, let's give you an example, and we're going to solve one out. We're going to have 2 to the 6th. What that means is we're going to have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Oop, just 2 of them. We're going to have that 6 times. And what we're going to solve that out, so we have these two multiplied are going to be 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So our answer is 64. And that's a quick way to solve it. Let me give you one more example here before we go. So we have 4 to the 3rd, which will be 4 times 4 times 4, which is equal to 64. I hope that helped, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. As always, have a good day, and if you liked the video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel.